Hello everyone. So question number 4 or problem number 4 in correlation coefficient. It is given if the correlation between negative x and 2y is r, then correlation between u and v, where u is equal to x minus 5 by 10 and v is equal to y minus 75 by 2 is what? So how do we do this? First of all, here let us say this u is given as x minus 5 by 10, whereas here it is given as negative x. That means I need a negative sign here for this x. If I have to bring negative x, then I have to multiply both numerator and denominator by minus 1. So let us do that. Minus x minus of, I'm multiplying both numerator and denominator by minus 1. So this becomes x will become minus x and this 5 will become minus 5. I'm retaining the negative sign in between only as it is. Then the denominator also minus 10. So now I brought this negative x here. So here we may note, if we refer to our property, second property of correlation coefficient, this particular number, that is the second number, whatever is getting subtracted, that is considered to be origin. This is considered to be scale. Generally for x, we use it, we call this as a, we call this as b. So here a is minus 5 and our b is negative 10. Okay, now let us write down this v. V is y minus 75 by 2. But here you may notice it is given as 2y. That means I have to multiply numerator and denominator by 2. What happens? 2y minus, 2y minus 150 by, new denominator also multiplied by 2, so it becomes 4, right? So now we brought it into 2y. So for v, generally this origin, that is whatever is subtracted, that is considered to be origin. Whatever is divided, that is called as scale. Here we call, it is denoted by c, that origin, which is 150, and the scale is 4. Whenever the, and the property what it says, r of x, y is modulus of v multiplied by modulus of d into r of uv divided by b into d. Suppose if b and d both are of same sign, then modulus, if you take sign will go. Here also the same signs will get multiplied. So ultimately it will result into the same. But if it is different signs, b is different sign, d is different sign, then what happens? Numerator will become positive because of modulus, whereas denominator will become negative. Here it is like that. B is negative 10, D is 4. So what happens is your correlation will change. Or rather simply speaking, this is what? This is modulus of minus 10, modulus of 4 into RUV by minus 10 into 4. So what happens is, this both of these terms will become positive, whereas this will be negative. So ultimately it will get cancelled, but you will have a negative sign. So when we have correlation between what do you call? Oh, sorry. Here I should put it as minus x. I'm sorry. Let me correct it because we converted all those. It should be minus x, comma 2y. Yeah. So exactly opposite sign it will be. Therefore, in this case, RUV will be minus R because it is coming opposite. This is correlation between negative x and 2y, and that is giving me a negative R of UV. That means R of minus x and 2y is known to be R. Let me write here. This is R. That means R of u comma will be negative of R. So that is about this particular question. And see you again in the next video. Thank you.